Hey everyone, Cash here. Welcome back if you've been here before, and if this is your first time visiting our channel, welcome. Ever wondered if all those agents driving fancy cars are rolling in cash? We've got the scoop on the surprising truths about real estate agents' income. Get ready for a reality check. You've heard it before. Every real estate agent makes six figures. Hold on to your hats because that's not the whole story. Incomes vary, and it's not just about the digits in your bank account. What really matters? Let's break it down. Picture this. You're navigating the real estate market and suddenly the wind changes. That's right. Market conditions can play a massive role in an agent's earnings. Location, property types, and market demands. They're the puppet masters pulling the strings. Now, meet the rock stars of real estate, the agents who crack the code. These aren't just success stories. They're blueprints for your own journey. From hustle to strategy, learn the secrets that go beyond the sold sign. Spoiler alert, it's not all glitz and glamour. Real estate comes with its fair share of challenges, the kind that separates the rookies from the pros. But fear not, we've got the lowdown on how the top agents tackle these hurdles head on. Thinking about dipping your toes into the real estate pool? We've got your back. From the first step to the final deal, here are the insider tips you won't find in textbooks. Consider this your survival guide in the wild world of real estate. Ready to dive deeper? Subscribe to Mac Empires and join the ranks of those in the know. Your journey into the real estate realm just got a whole lot more exciting. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this adventure together. But wait, there's more. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for your daily dose of real estate wisdom. Don't miss out on the fun. Join our community and stay ahead of the game. There you have it, folks. The unfiltered truth about real estate income. It's a roller coaster, but with Mac Empires by your side, you're not just a passenger, you're steering the ship. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and let's redefine success in the world of real estate together.